Tvam yoga uchyate. It is said in the Bible, "Be still and know that I am God." In these few words lies the key to the science of yoga. Jai Hind. Myself leading cadet S.Lokesh from 3rd Odisha Naval Unit NCC Cuttack, Odisha Directorate, present before you to deliver a lecture upon yoga. I hope all of you are safe and secure and are following COVID-19 protocols issued by Government of India. So let's start. Most of us are accustomed in looking outside of ourselves for fulfillment. We live in a world that conditions us to believe that outer attainments can solely give us what we want to achieve. But yet, again and again, experiences show us that nothing external can completely fulfill the deep longing within for something more. It is hard for us to picture a state of complete calmness and repose in which thoughts and feelings cease to dance in a perpetual motion. Yet, it is through this state of complete quietude that we can touch a level of joy and understanding impossible to achieve otherwise. Yoga is the ancient spiritual science that delivers the direct means of stilling the natural turbulence of thoughts and restlessness of body that prevent us from knowing what we really are. Ordinarily, our energies and awareness are directed outwards, towards the things of this world that we perceive through the limited instruments of our five senses. Because human reasoning has to rely upon this partial and often deceptive data is supplied from these five senses, these physical senses, we have to tap deeper. Yoga is the natural process of reversing the ordinary outward flow of energy and consciousness so that the mind becomes a dynamic center of direct perception, no longer dependent upon these fallible senses, upon knowing what actually is truth. Yoga is the science of activating inner energies to such a vibrant and exuberant state that body, mind and emotions function at their highest peaks. The word yoga has been derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning union. Union means to experience the universality of who you are. For example, modern science has proved that the whole existence is just one energy manifesting itself in various forms. So, if this scientific fact becomes a living reality for you, if you experience everything as one, then you are in yoga. When you are in yoga, you experience everything as a part of yourself. For instance, the air we breathe out is the intake for the plants and trees, and that they breathe out is the intake for us. The ultimate goal of yoga is to unfold the infinite human potential of the mind and soul. Do you remember the first Sanskrit phrase that I recited in the beginning? Yes, Samatvam yoga uchyate. It is nothing but the definition of yoga given in Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna. Samatvam means balanced state. Uchyate means said to be. Yoga is said to be a balanced state. It is a balanced state of mind and body, of thoughts and feelings, of pleasure and sorrow. It is to maintain the equilibrium of mind, and this equanimity of mind is the ultimate goal of yoga. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.